It's completely unique, both musically and staging-wise.
Dramatic, stunning, and emotional.
Very emotive stuff, very powerful, really captured you. Man just darn wych. Staging was phenomenal. The staging, the lighting, the set design. I loved how maximum impact it had.
I loved the Spanish music, the guitars. The singing was fantastic. I absolutely loved the flamenco dancing, and I love flamenco music.
It was nothing and everything I expected it to be. It's amazing music, wonderful, wonderful choreography, and fantastic singers.
It's a surprising production. There's lots to it, many layers. The performance is fantastic. The voices were really, really good. Great production. Thoroughly recommend it.
It's absolutely amazing.
Musically, you're in for a treat.